So, hello everyone. So, I am going to tell about this CIT journey in my after joining in this college. I felt that somewhat I am going to learn new. After I joined in this CIT section, I learned a lot in new things. Actually, general knowledge, aptitude, reasoning, and we studied in school. What we studied in school, they are very important. I think like that because in aptitude, reasoning, and we have technical classes also. Technical classes are very important to us because in CRT sections we are have so much of important in that. Even we are learning how to speak in English. We have communication classes and we have so many competitions, so many games, and so many enjoyment. Even our college, this Balsai college conducting college in Sunday also, but it is very important. Actually in starting I felt that why they are conducting in Sunday also, we are not getting rest, but it is very enjoyable. You can participate in different sections and different programs, and you can win. What skills we are having, what knowledge we are having, we can learn everything. We can understand that at what level we are. That's why we have to join in this CRT section also. If you are learning, it is very good to join in CRT section because you can learn everything, even reasoning, aptitude. These are not only for private companies jobs, or you can get job in government sectors also. You can practice if more, you will get more jobs, and your value will be increases in society. So it is very important to learn these all things. And in here in this college every facilities are providing, and your teachers and teachers, everyone are so friendly with you. They can understand your feelings and your problems, and the principal sir is very friendly with us. He will teach you in good way. He will motivate you. If you having any problem, any health issues, or anything that you want to share with, you can share with your teachers also. It is very friendly environment, and every good thing are being taught by us. We don't know about society, don't know about some things that we don't know. We can learn here. It will be very representable for us parents. So about my parents, actually I want to join in this college because I used to hear that Balsai College is one of the best college in Machilipatnam. So my dad asked his friends to whether it's true or not, and everyone used to say that yes, it is a good college because it is having placements, and even before completing degree we are getting jobs, which is very useful and important. Degree, BTech people are completing their BTech and they are not getting job. They are only taking file and going here and there to get jobs. But for here it is very good to have job before completing degree. As parents, they are really supporting me because from morning to evening section we have college, but then also parents are supporting and they are providing money to give us in this college. Not fees is not that much high, it is less, and education and faculties are more. That's why parents also supporting. Okay, principal. So about principal sir, our principal sir name Jagdish sir. He is the one of the best motivational person in our
Be careful, you'll see this.
Yes sir, you are laughing. So about our principal sir, he is the one of the best motivational person. Actually in starting we used to scared to speak in English, or used to ask him any question. Everyone used to think that he will scold, but he is very friendly person, and actually he is a very supportive person. You know, if we are having any problem, if we have some problem to paying money fees regularly, if we ask him, sir, actually I am having some problem, so he will give some time, and he support us in every way. If even in studies also, sir teaching us aptitude and technical, which are very important, which are the one of the two reasoning class. So Mohan sir is our teacher in to teach us reasoning class, and he is very talented person, because you know, if having any sum or having any problem, he will give you some techniques, some shortcuts to realize that problem and to resolve that problem. He is very friendly guy. If you ask him any question, even not in reasoning, if you ask him in arithmetic, in aptitude, he will give you answer. He is one of the best teacher.
Your friend Gandhi is also.
So about Harsha sir, actually he is the one of the best supporter for you, because you know, if you having any problem, if you want to know about college, if you want to know about college or any studies, or about any teacher, about any subject, you can ask him. Actually in CRT section, sir know everything, because any problem, even if when you are facing job interviews, he will come with you as a supporter, and he will treat you, and he will you know, in English he will gonna take your verbal competitions and verbal in interviews, and also in he will gonna test you if you are good or not.